Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to talk about top 5 issues which you might be able to face if you install the beta version of the Realme UI 3.0. Yes friends, starting from I think couple of days back, the users started to receive this registration for the Realme UI 3.0 in the Realme GT Master Edition and the Realme GT Neo 2 and Realme XN Max as well. So in this video I'm going to mention what are the top 5 issues which you might be able to face if you install the beta version. And in case if you have one of the device, definitely friends, this will be really helpful for you. So make sure to watch till end of the video without skipping. And another main interesting point why I'm trying to upload this video is because I'm getting so many comments, so many friends, I cannot even explain, like 50 to 100 comments every day I'm getting just only recording the problems and the issues. I cannot reply each and every comment, right? But I'll definitely take the screenshot. This is the one habit which I did make regarding the screenshot. Every time I see the problem, I'll definitely take the screenshot of each and every problem. You may think that I'm not replying to your comment, I'm not reading, but I do read each and every single comment, everything. I may not be able to reply to you because I don't have that much kind of time. But finally friends, this is a video which might be really helpful. So once you update to the beta version, you should definitely remember that there will be consequences with the problems. So always remember, beta versions not that good to install. If you want, definitely wait for the stable version. But if you install the beta version, the first disadvantage what you will face, first issue, I mean it's not a big issue but just small issues only. So first issue what you may be able to face is always on display may not be working. So that's the one thing which the Realme XN Max users, I'm getting plenty of comments from the Realme XN Max after installing this update. Not only from this device, even from other smartphones like Realme GT Master Edition, GT Neo 2 also, I'm getting few comments regarding the always on display. This will be the first issue which you might be able to face while using this beta version. And always remember, this is a beta version, so no need to comment under my video saying that it's not working, because it will definitely get fixed in the next software update. So don't worry about that friends. As soon as you get the stable version, the problem will get fixed compulsory, so don't even think of that. So next is regarding another issue what the users are actually facing is regarding the edge lighting effect. Yes, we do have the edge lighting effect right in the Realme phone. So if you try to go to the personalization, you will be able to find edge lighting effect. Yes, the edge lighting effect is not working in the Realme XN Max after the Realme UI 3.0. Even I did get a lot of comments regarding this edge lighting effect as well. Always on display and the edge lighting effect are not working. And this can be also applicable for other Realme phones especially. So that's the reason I thought of mentioning friends. So it may be even happening in your device as well, even with other Realme phones as well with the Realme UI 3.0. So always on display, edge lighting effect, these two things you will definitely see the problem. Next thing is regarding the battery draining. Yes, battery draining may be happening, not in all the phones. I'm not trying to say that all the phones will be happening the battery draining, but maybe some phones, for example like Realme GT Neo 2, no, I did not see any kind of battery draining happening in this device. It was pretty solid, nothing much problem. But maybe in the GT Master Edition sometimes, and some of the users, they did mention comment saying that battery backup is not that good after the Realme UI 3.0 update. So you might be able to face these issues. Not only battery backup, even charging speed may also get slowed down. So that's something you should know. And my unit right now, I'm facing slightly battery backup issues. So what I'm gonna do is that maybe today or maybe tomorrow, I'll try to completely do the factory reset of my Realme XN Max. Then I'll try to start doing the testing. So that might be different way of doing the testing, because I am facing a lot of battery draining issues. Because in my device, overnight it's draining like a lot, 10 to 15% is draining without even using the phone, I'm not kidding friends, you can watch my videos. So this kind of side effects may happen with the battery backup. And one more thing, this will not happen in all the phones, only few phones. No need to comment saying that I'm getting good battery backup. I don't know, like only few users like me will be impacted with this kind of side effects. So don't worry, I'll try to do the factory reset and I'll try to do the testing again maybe next day, because I need to do the battery backup, right? That's the reason it's taking some time. So next, another problem can be regarding the heating problems. Like there might be slightly for the Snapdragon, don't worry, for the Snapdragon it's really very good and solid, not much heating problems, not much throttling is happening. But in these two phones, it's very good. CPU throttling I did do plenty of times, no issues. But look at this Dimensity processor. it's kind of really killing it, the Dimensity processor. So throttling, yes, it's happening because of that. There are a lot of other heating problems as well, heating issues. So you can see the throttling. While doing this CPU throttling, the temperature went up to 43 degrees. Yes, you won't believe me, friends. You can watch the video. 43 degrees. I'm not kidding. So I'll try to show you the graph from the Snapdragon 870 as well after this update. So you'll be really shocked to see about the graph. It's kind of completely different. As you can see, this is the graph. And Snapdragon 778G, like, it's very, very good. Damn good. Even I'm really shocked to see, like, no CPU throttling detected in the Snapdragon 778G. 778G and Snapdragon 870, perfect. When it comes to the Dimensity processor, it's not going that well with the Realme Ui 3.0. So that's the reason I'm trying to detect like higher temperatures. So you can see that CPU throttling graph as well, how it's happening here. So this is a quick demonstration which I'm showing you. The performance might be affected, and one more thing, 90 FPS is not working at this moment even after the Realme Ui 3.0 update. And all the three smartphones, after the update, there is no high refresh rate gameplay support test. I'm not sure why Realme is doing like this. Like, giving all the three smartphones, they do have 120 Hz. I'm not sure why we cannot play high refresh rate games. Like, it's totally strange, friends, from me. Like, it's a Realme is really very high reputed brand, and they should definitely think about this kind of problems. This is not the new problem. This issue is happening for very long time. I have been stressing this issue in every video. I'm not sure whether you'll be watching or not, but in every time I'll try to mention this kind of problem in the Realme phones. So I'm not against this Realme. Even I want a lot of development happening in the software wise and improving the lot of features. Even I do want, but Realme, it's not making anything. So there's no high refresh rate gameplay support test. There's no 4D vibrations. You cannot use any 4D vibrations while gaming. That's totally strange. And after seeing all these problems, even a lot of users, they did ask me how to roll back to the Android 11. As you can clearly see, friends, can you make a video how to roll back to the Android 11? So I did upload the separate video as well. You can check out the video how to roll back. But these are the few issues, friends, which you should definitely know. And there are a couple of other issues as well regarding the autofocus not working. And in the Realme GT Neo 2, some users, they did mention that I found the black color issue after the update. Yes, after the update, some of the users in the Realme GT Neo 2, they found it. As you can clearly see, friends, every time I get this kind of comments, definitely I'll take the screenshot, because I don't know, some people, they don't believe. That's the reason I'm trying to take a screenshot and show you as a proof. So I did get from maybe 3 or 4 users same kind of comment saying that black color issue has been happened. So as I said, this is just a beta version, friends, take it light. So we will just definitely wait for the stable update to figure out all the issues got fixed or not. But right now, if any issue you are facing, please make sure to watch my video to roll back, or maybe wait for the stable version. Even I don't know when the stable version will be coming. Don't try to comment saying that when it will release, because I don't know, friends. I'm not working for Realme, right? So even I don't have any clue. So as soon as I get the information, then I can definitely share with you all. But at this moment, I don't have any clue when the stable version will be coming. So thank you for watching this video, friends. These are the top 5 issues which are going on in the Realme UI 3.0 beta version. So if you ask me, should you download and install? I would say, like, if it's not bothering you, like always on display edge lighting effect, it's not affecting you, then definitely you can download and install, go on. But if you want to be on safe side, wait for the stable version. It's coming next month, I guess. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. I will stay for more updates. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.